Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Don't Neglect the Inner You from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Don't neglect the inner you. When we revert to a chemical to heal or numb the pain, our emotions lie dormant in the depth of our soul. Our emotions wait to be discovered through seeking within for its essential calling. When we don't deal with our emotions and we keep burying them with a chemical, we become dependent on something outside ourselves. When we always seek outside ourselves, we can never truly heal and be abundant. All good comes within, so don't neglect the most important element of all, which is the evolution of your soul. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you. And if you are able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for the beautiful breakfast I had with my wife. I'm grateful for the coffee I get to drink, and I'm grateful for the clean water. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.